In this part of exponent, we will make a relationship between rational exponent and n roots. Okay, what are n roots? So this is for advanced classes and high school. N roots and rational exponents. Recall that when we talk about the square root of 4, that is equal to 2. Okay, there is a relationship between this square root radical and exponent. How do we know? Square root of 4 can be written as square root of 2 to the second, because 4 is the same as 2 to the second power. So that tells us that if the square root of 4 is 2, then there's something that is happening to this exponent of 2 here. That tells us that this is the same as 2 to the exponent of 2 raised to the exponent of 1 over 2. Because if we simplify this, then we get 2 to the exponent of 2 over 1 times 1 over 2, which is the same as 2 to the exponent of 2 over 2. Okay, so this is the same as 2 to the exponent of 1, which is 2. Okay, so this whole line shows different steps how square root of 4 is 2, and 2 to the second, which is the same as 4 raised to the exponent of a half, is also 2. Now this makes a connection between this part and this part. So this is telling us that the exponent of a half actually means square root. So this is telling us that square root of 4 is the same as 4 to the exponent of a half, because when I get square root of 4 is 2, 4 to the exponent of a half is also 2. So we can make a rule that says if we have a base number n to the exponent of 1 over n, okay, where n is any whole number, then apart from 0, n cannot be 0, then this expression is the same as the n root of a. Okay, so again, this is for the advanced classes and high school. And there's an extension of this rule that says that if we have a to an exponent of m over n, then this is the same as the n root of a raised to the exponent of m. Now let's see how we can use this rule to simplify. How would you, if you were not to use a calculator and you want to simplify the cube root of 8 raised to the second power, then you can rewrite this as cube root of 8 is the same as 8 to the 1/3, then raise that to the second power. So this is the same as 8 to the exponent of 2 over 3. But 8 is the same as 2 to the third. So, but 8 is equal to 2 to the third. 2 times 2 times 2. Therefore, so 8 to the 2/3 as exponent is the same as 2 to the third raised to the exponent of 2 over 3. And this is the same as 2 to the 3 over 1 times 2 over 3. We have learned the rule of exponent that says when we have an exponent of an exponent, we multiply. So when we multiply this, we have base number of 2 And when we simplify this gives us 3 divided by 3 here is 1, so we have 2 left. So that is the same as 2 to the second, which is 4. So the cube root of 8 raised to the second is 4.